So SAT changes will not, first of all, will not affect anybody who's already 11th grade, going to 12th, and it's not going to affect anybody who's 10th grade and going to 11th grade. Okay, if you have kids that's already in 10th grade as of today, in 10th grade second semester, it's not going to be affected by the SAT changes. If you're already 11th grade, you're going to 12th, I would be worried about college applications right now, right? So it's not going to be affecting you at all. But if your kids are in the 9th grade, that's a little bit dilemma. So we will talk about that in a moment. Yeah, if you're 9th grade, it's really a huge, it's a little bit dilemma, but I will talk about how do we deal with that, okay? So do you have kids in 9th grade? No, some of you, but you the questioner? Okay. If in 9th grade, 8th grade is easy, 7th grade, 6th grade, just go with the new SAT. Okay, you don't have to worry too much, yeah. But the 9th grade is a dilemma, okay? I'll deal with that in a moment.